Greensboro Police Department is searching for a missing child. Kason Osiah Monk. Kason Osiah Monk is a 9-month-old black male, approximately 1 foot 6 inches long, weighing 30 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes, wearing a white shirt, gray sweatpants, and a gray jacket. His hair is curly. The victim is believed to be with Dion Lamar Monk. Dion Lamar Monk is described as a 23-year-old black male, 6 feet 3 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes, wearing unknown shirt, multicolored shorts, jacket, and has an afro hairstyle. Was last seen at an address on Phillips Avenue, Greensboro, with an unknown direction of travel and unknown destination. The vehicle is burgundy or red, Saturn View, with a North Carolina license tag unknown number. The vehicle is described as having heavy damage throughout the body and a broken rear window. If you have any information regarding this case,